Alright guys, today we're going to be doing front shocks on a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Doing Bilstein shocks on mine. I've got a 3-inch lift in it. It's just the cheap rubber lift on it. I'm going to be doing all the suspension work on this, redoing it all. It's going to be, I'm going to end up putting new springs and everything, but you look in there, you see I got the rubber block in there. It's been in there for 3-4 years now. I mean, enough miles where these brand new tires got worn down. I'm putting brand new tires on today, and then these Bilstein shocks, and I had the original shocks on this, so they're maxed out too with that lift, so this is going to make it ride a lot better. So first thing you do is you get it jacked up. Make sure you got a jack stand under there as well. I've got so I've got 2018 Camaro 18-inch Camaro rims on this. So originally I got these for my 98 Jeep, and I got an adapter plate that fit on the 98 Jeep and then converted it to the Chevy rims. Then I bought this 2002 Jeep, and it's got a different bolt pattern, so I had to buy another adapter plate to adapt it from this Jeep to the old Jeep, and then from the old Jeep to these rims, because I had just put these brand new tires on there. And it worked for a couple of years, or it's been, like I said, 4 years now like that. So it worked. I got the the good ones with the center ring on it and everything. It worked fine. I just got to change the tires and do some work on this thing. It's getting old, worn out. 200,000 miles on it. All right, now I got the cap off, whatever. Lugs, take the lugs out. Put these Bilsteins, these aren't that expensive, and they're great shocks. I'll put these in the description below as well. Just click on the link. All right, so I put another jack stand underneath the front suspension on this. There's my 2 adapter plates. Don't judge. All right, so it looks like we got, what are those, 10 or 11 millimeters? And a little bigger on the bottom, 12s or 13s. And then we got a stud up top. Just, we turn the flashlight on. Boom. It's this guy right here. Hold on. It's this guy right down here. That guy right there. Looks like a 13 millimeter, maybe a 14 millimeter. We're gonna take that nut right there off first. 9/16. I used a long extension and a short extension. Coming right off, no problem. Got the nut off. You can pull the rubber boot and washer off. Just get them out of there. It had the little knob down, so I guess that's the way we'll be doing the next boot. Alright, and then these bottom bolts. So 10 millimeter on the top, 13 millimeter on the bottom. Pops these guys right out. Go ahead and get those 2 out. And this is hanging all the way down basically, so this will lift right up and come right on out like that. And you see they got the washer and rubber grommet on that. So we're gonna pop this strap off of here, put the washer down, and then the rubber grommet down. This bit right here, this little nipple thing here, pointing up, and then we're gonna shove it into the hole, and then we've got to pull it up enough to be able to get it into that spot right there, because it's fully released. Didn't come with new bolts for the bottom, so I'm going to reuse the old bolts on the bottom. The brand new rubber boot, nipple side down. We're going to put that on. Kind of twist it a little bit, just make sure it's nice and centered. Same thing on the bottom. I twisted it a little bit to make sure it was good and centered. Washer. And then the new lock nut goes down in there. It's still 14 millimeter, I believe. Started. And then do not use an impact on this. Use a ratchet. Tighten it up. 17 millimeter on these. Tighten them down. All the way down till it's nice and squished and decently tight. Oh, there goes my socket. Go ahead and pull the jack stand out if you can. I can't because it's pushed way down now. Nice. I'm going to try to jack this up. A little more. Get it out. Oh yeah, I'm going to have to put a block in there. Go ahead and put the brand new tire on there. So that's what she looks like with a shock in her. Looks freaking nice. I'm going to go ahead and pull this jack stand out now. And drop her down. See what kind of extra gap we got. Here we got the 2x4. So not that much off the tire. And about that much off the tire. So I got an extra inch just from changing those shocks. Nice. All right, guys. That's changing the shocks out on your Jeep. I'm going to do the other side now. I don't need to record that. I'll put the shocks in the description below. If this helped out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Today's t-shirt be in the comments, or yeah, in the comments below. If you want me to do any advertising for you, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.